Gaia Fitness and Yoga Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get online fitness and yoga platforms wrong. They assume all apps are just pre-recorded videos. Gaia is different. The surprising truth is how holistic and diverse its content is, and you won't believe the depth of programs it offers for mind, body, and spirit. Here's how it works. Gaia provides thousands of on-demand classes in yoga, fitness, meditation, and personal growth. Users can stream classes on any device, explore guided meditation series, or follow structured programs for strength, flexibility, or stress reduction. For example, someone looking to improve flexibility might start with a 21-day yoga program, while a beginner in meditation can access bite-sized guided sessions to reduce anxiety. Most people get this wrong. They assume yoga content is repetitive, but Gaia's library spans multiple styles, levels, and even includes spiritual documentaries and wellness talks. Additional features include personalized recommendations, offline downloads, and curated collections by instructors or themes. The platform also allows integration with smart TVs and mobile devices, making workouts and mindfulness practices easy to follow at home or on the go. However, there are considerations. While Gaia offers a free trial, a subscription is required for full access. Most people assume basic content is enough. It's not, because the premium library truly sets Gaia apart. Also, some content may be more spiritual than fitness-focused, so users should explore the categories that fit their goals. In conclusion, Gaia is ideal for individuals seeking more than just exercise. Whether you want yoga, meditation, or holistic wellness content, the platform provides depth and variety. Its combination of fitness, mindfulness, and spiritual growth makes it a standout option for long-term well-being. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of wellness and fitness tools.